It was a cold, rainy night in the small village of Oak Grove. The winds were howling. The thunder was roaring in the skies. No one would dare set off on journey in weather like this, so late into the night. But Walter and Lauren were desperately waiting the arrival of Dr. Cullen. Her condition is getting worse. When will he be here? The weather has probably held him up. Have patience, Lauren. He should be here soon. How's she doing? Not well. I'm sorry, but there is nothing that can be done. She's not going to make it. The doctor, Walter, I know it's difficult, but it's best you start taking preparation. Did he say? There's no hope, Lauren. What? How could you say there is no hope? The Lord shows us many miracles. She'll get better. I know she'll get better. I'll speak with Richard. He'll be able to arrange a plot of land in the cemetery for Anna. No, Walter. There's no need for that. My Anna is not going anywhere. Maribel. She is the youngest daughter of the Addams family, and soon, perhaps, the only daughter. For the past few months, Maribel has been watching her parents devastated in their grief for her elder sister, Anna, who has been suffering from illness. Every doctor that has come to visit her left with despair. And while her father heartbrokenly accepted the coming truth, her mother has been in denial. Lauren Addams has always been a woman of faith. Every day, she took Maribel to the town church and prayed earnestly for Anna. Despite all the difficulties that came, she never lost heart. She believed the Lord would soon show them a miracle. The next morning, Lauren and Maribel headed to the town church. As Maribel followed her mother, she noticed a crowd gathered around the town square. Some men had cornered a woman. She's a demon, a witch. Why are you people doing this to me? I haven't done anything. Practice witchcraft. Consult with the devil. Confess now, or you shall be taken to the elders. No, no, I beg of you. Have mercy on me. That's not true. Let her go. She can't be the one. How do you know? She cured my wife with grace. Let her go. Maribel, what are you doing? Let's go. Mother, is it true? What? Witches. They have powers. They speak to the devil. You dare not take his name, and do not ponder on these evils. After attending the session that morning, Maribel desperately left the confines. Her mother handed her a few shekels. Go get some basil and thyme for your sister. Okay, mother. Running through the marketplace, Maribel headed to the Johnson's shop. She stepped inside, smelling the scents of myrrh and rosemary strong in the air. The Johnsons would sell various medicinal herbs and ointments. And for the past months, Maribel had been coming here often. And she didn't mind it a bit, because she got to meet Roger. She and Roger had been secretly meeting for a while now, and they wanted to get married. Where is he? Got you. Roger, you scared me. We wouldn't have to meet like this if we were married. You know how things have been at home. Mother and father have been overwhelmed with Anna. What do you need? Basil and thyme. The merchants, henbane and wormwood. They say it cures all pains. Nothing can help her. She's not going to survive this. You don't suppose there could be some other way? What do you mean? I was outside the church this morning and I saw a woman. They were calling her a witch, but then a man came and said she truly healed someone. Maribel, you know what they'd do to you if they found out you were looking into witchcraft? They'd burn you on the stake. How do you know she doesn't have a cure? It's not worth it. Taking the herbs, Maribel rushed her way home. That evening, Lauren stewed a soup for Anna. But over the next days, Anna's condition only seemed to worsen. None of the herbal teas and concoctions worked on her, and although her mother faithfully cared for her, Maribel was getting desperate. Anna, how are you feeling? Maribel, spare me of this agony. Don't say that, Anna. Things will get better. I can't take it anymore. Mother won't listen. I can't have this anymore. I have to visit her. It was late the following day. Maribel left the house on excuse of fetching water. She ran through the woods by the riverside, where said the woman lived. What do you want? My sister. She's suffering. No doctor has been able to help her, but I believe you can. Come in. Is there any way you can heal her? Maybe. But what do you have to give in return? Maribel took off her earrings and placed them on the table. This is all I have. Very well. Maribel, what took you so long? You got me worried. Sorry, Mother. I wasn't feeling too well. Oh dear. Go and rest. You don't want to fall sick. As soon as she passed sight of her mother, Maribel took out the paper she got from the woman and went to see Anna. What is this, Maribel? It will heal you. The rain began to pour heavily that night. Maribel sat by the fireplace, praying for Anna. But Anna wasn't doing any better. Lauren stayed by her daughter's side as the night passed. What could that be? So late at night? You all go inside. I'll check. Taking his musket, Walter opened the door. Surprised to see a man. He looked like a priest. Who are you? Son, please help me. I'm a traveler. My carriage broke down. I've been walking for long trying to find some shelter. If you would please offer me some water. Seeing the man's helpless state, Walter brought him inside. Why did you bring him in? A stranger? In the middle of the night? He's a priest. Get some water and food for him. Let it be done and I'll ask him to leave. Lauren quickly got water, soup and bread for the man and placed it on the table. The priest immediately drank the water, moistening his throat. He watched as Lauren grabbed hold of her beads. What is that? Rosary piece. They ward off the devil. Thank you for your hospitality. Priest, may you pray for my daughter. What has happened to her? She has been ill for 2 months. Doctors have given up all hope. Nothing has helped. Take me to her. Lauren nervously looked at Walter. And Walter took the priest to Anna's room. After a while of sitting beside Anna and looking at her and around the room, the priest asked him, "Leave us alone. I'm going to pray on her. Maybe there is still hope for her. Her daughter will live." "Yes, please." Walter and Lauren waited outside praying. outside as the storm raged on. There was a strange change in the atmosphere. There was something about this night that was different. The weather suddenly became colder, and the fire began to go out. I'll get the fireplace going. As the minutes passed by the fire, the parents became more desperate, waiting for Anna's door to open. How much longer, Lauren? Have patience, Walter. As the lightning struck, Maribel came out of her room. Seeing her parents, she asked her mother, "Mother, what is going on?" "Don't worry, dear. Pray for your sister. Perhaps this is a miracle from the Lord we have been waiting for." Hearing her mother, Maribel suddenly became teary. Her hands shook as she sat down. "Mother, I'm sorry." "Sorry for what, dear?" "I prayed for Anna, but..." "We're all praying for Anna. There is a priest. He is praying over Anna." "Mom, he's not a priest." Listening to her daughter, Walter immediately ran to Anna's room. "What happened, Walter?" But when Walter stepped into the room, he was gone. Anna was gone. "Your sister. The sickness will finish her, but there is a way you can save her." "How?" "Has the Lord answered your prayers?" "No." "Did you ever try praying to the Dark Lord?" "Who is the Dark Lord?" "Accept the Dark Lord. Make offering to him. Pray to him. He will answer." Maribel cried as she confessed, "I prayed for Anna." As Lauren began crying, Walter asked Maribel, "What did you offer?" "I offered him Anna." Click on the subscribe button and check out more awesome videos on our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon because you know it's interesting.